Hi guys, I'm Karan, friends, Absolute Roadie. Welcome back to my channel Absolute Roadie. मैं आया था आपके पास पहले एक वीडियो लेके जिसमें I showed how I set up my Osmo Action camera. I did the unboxing of it. So excited to do my first vlog. बहुत nervous भी हूँ. I don't know, after a long time I'm having those butterflies in my stomach, as you guys say. First time कर रहा हूँ, no idea how to do it. पहली बार ही बोला था कैमरा के सामने, वो एटलीस्ट फिर भी घर में बैठा हुआ था. नाउ सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग इनसाइड फ्रॉम माय हेलमेट. नॉट श्योर हाउ इज़ गोना बी, हाउ द ऑडियो इज़ गोना बी. आई होप इट टर्न्स आउट वेल. अभी मैं बाइक बंद करके बात कर रहा हूँ सो दैट एटलीस्ट शायद ये रिकॉर्ड हो सके तो हो सके. होपफुली. Guys, welcome back. Karan, Prince from your channel The Absolute Roadie. I hope ये सारे videos अच्छे से आए, audio अच्छे से आए. Let's see, otherwise we'll have to work something around it. Petrol has been topped up in the bike. Now let's go for a ride. अभी मैंने I have added an ND filter, ND16, and let's see how the quality comes out. अभी सब experiments चल रहे हैं. And it's good that I'm sharing it. शायद आप में से किसी के भी काम आए who is looking to vlog or who started to use ND filters. So let's ride and let's see how the video comes out. And I'll be riding towards Palm Jumeirah. That's a nice spot. अच्छे views आने चाहिए. Let's hope for the best. Alright guys. In fact, the Osmo Action camera, I am in some ways finding it better than GoPro. Now, how different is it in video quality is a subject of discussion, which I have seen, or rather heard many people talking that GoPro has got more, saturation level in their colors. It's far more louder. As compared to the action camera and the Insta360 color. But let's see, somehow I like giving all other things and putting in place, whether it's the price, whether it's the accessories, the bundle offer that I was getting, with 2 batteries and the ND filters, everything, that made a lot of difference. So मेरे लिए तो वो बहुत बड़ा decision point था. And again, it's the other thing that which always kept going in my mind is that you can go back and see, people have started with, Hero 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or they have been associated with the brand for long, and they have that brand association. They started with the first model and they have continued, and so they might have diversified as well. They would have also used other action cameras, but they have always, associated with, one of the brands right from day one, and that's what I also wanted to do. Now, given that action camera is the first one, it just got a firmware update, so they haven't come up with a second version or anything new. It's just the first one, and it's always good to be a part of this opportunity. I didn't want to lose this one. I wanted to start with the action camera, even if it had not been the first one, the second or third one. For various reasons, I would have again started with action camera only. But given that this was the first one, it was like icing on the cake. I'm going to start vlogging, and I've got an opportunity to associate myself with a brand which has just come up with its first model. And now it's also launched the, the Osmo Action. I don't remember the name of the gadget now, but the gimbal, the version 4, that's also out. So it's amazing. The brand is doing quite good. It quite appears they have been listening to the people, to their users, and that's why they're adding such amazing, features to their product. So it makes all, they're taking all the right boxes. Anyways, I would be happy to use various brands. I am an explorer. I've just started, so मैं तो सब use करूँगा. I would like to see everything. जिस तरह से मैंने अपनी bike बनाई है, covering everything. I mean, this bike is totally other than I can't even say now it's a stage 4. So even for that matter, the engine has been rebuilt totally. So everything, right from the engine to the front fairings, saddlebags. There's so many small accessories. I'll do it. I just don't want to take away the excitement by talking and not showing the bike. So I'll try to, get a nice video of my bike with all the accessories on what's the practicality and how it's been. I mean, it's not just an accessory to add. ये थोड़ा कि पैसा पेड़ पे उग नहीं रहा है भाई कि बस नई एक्सेसरी आई तो ले लो. I've seen a few users who do that. Everything that comes new, they want to buy it, he or she. But I think the way I look at it, if I'm going to use something, then it really needs to have some practical purpose behind it. It just can't be for aesthetics. For example, my bike, it's been now 4 years on my bike. I haven't added any grips to it. I never needed a grip. मुझे ऐसा कुछ यूज लगा नहीं मेरे राइडिंग में. Nor did I find any benefit of it improving my riding ability if I had those grips on. It would have made sense. I mean, in winters, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, ये 5 महीने काफी ठंडे होते हैं. Plus, if you ride towards Oman and other, mountainous region towards northern Emirates, then it's really cold. Temperature drops down to 1, 2, 3 degrees. I mean, as low as that. Plus, there is that cold wave, breeze, chilling breeze, and so you may prefer to have a heated grip, but I haven't had one. मैं आज भी people may question it, but अब मैं क्या करूँ? I still ride with half finger gloves. I hope I'm able to get it somewhere. Yes. So it's for I can ride with full finger gloves as well. And this is not because कि mobile use करने में आसानी होती है. I mean, I've not been recording or using it at all for so long. तो वो बात कभी थी नहीं. But it's just that मुझे वो ब्रेक और क्लच और उसपे I need that feeling. वो खाली full finger gloves पहनने से I somehow don't get that right feeling until unless I'm able to touch and feel the bike. I mean, it's not the bike hasn't got any nervous system that's going to react to my touching. But jokes apart, it's that I'm just not comfortable with full finger gloves. But I can ride. I mean, I can ride for long distances. I have for all my long distance rides. Acha, long distance rides se yaad aaya, I'll talk about those as well. I know there are a lot of people in India who are looking forward to that or have already done it. Ironbird Association, long distance riders. अगर आप इनके वेबसाइट्स पे जाएंगे and if you search the name Karan Verdia, you will find it, and you will find my name under some various amazing rides. Whether it's the full throttle, whether it's the okay, I'll just mention it and then we'll talk about it in a separate video. So there are a lot of long distance rides for which these guys, Ironbird Association and Long Distance Rider, they certify you for it. So one of the rides, the most challenging ride that I have done with me and 4 of my other friends was the challenge to complete 2500 kilometers plus in less than 24 hours. So that's the ride which I and my friends have done, and me and my friends, the 5 of us, are the first one in the Middle East, in the entire Middle East, to do that ride. And I have it on my certificate. It's there on my certificate. I'll show you my certificates as well. I'll show you my vest as well with all the patches. I'll cover my bike as well, Dyna Fat Bob, as long as you guys have this model, until 2017 before, or rather 2018 when they came up with the new Softail Fat Bob. And if you want to continue with that bike, if you want to add some accessories, try to, bring out some, rather get some new life to the bike, because I have been adding something or the other which is practically useful to me, and that adds that, value to that. Okay guys, what you see in front of me is the Atlantis, and right now what we're doing is we are getting into the tunnel. This tunnel actually is technically under the Arabian Sea, and you have to cross this tunnel to reach to Atlantis. I think आप में बहुत लोग दुबई आए होंगे तो they would have driven through this road, because that's the only road that leads to Atlantis, and it's an amazing tunnel. You are under the sea. I think it would have darkened out now. just a matter of seconds, and then at the end of the tunnel there is always light. And here we go. I love these bridges. You know, the bridge that overlooks the sea, that's the most amazing part of it. So what is on the right is sea. Wow. I mean, I can ride million times. मैं इस जगह के ना 1 million चक्कर लगा लूँगा just to get this amazing view. Welcome back, guys. Karan here from your channel Absolute Roadie, and you can also call me as Prince. I think मैं एक दो बार और बोलूँगा, फिर आप समझ जाओगे और आप मुझे करण बुलाएं या प्रिंस बुलाएं या Absolute Roadie बुलाएं. That's your call. I'll leave it to you guys. Right now I'm at the Blue Water Islands. It's a beautiful place. ये तो ऐसा लगता है कि अलग ही दुनिया बना दी इन्होंने यहाँ पे. It's so lush green and so well maintained. Love to come for a ride and for a coffee. So let's see आज कहाँ पे जाते हैं हम. अभी पता नहीं मैं शायद उस जोन में आया हूँ कि नहीं आया हूँ जहाँ पे. Oh, this is a nice one, Myths and Traits. It's a nice restaurant. अभी तक मैं उस जोन में आया नहीं हूँ कि मैं कैमरा खोल के बैठ जाऊँ कॉफी टेबल पे and I'll start talking with you guys. पता नहीं शायद I might take some more time to enter that comfort zone. But as we speak, let's go and have a coffee as I am now quite hungry. बाइक का ये फ़ायदा होता है, कहीं भी लगा दो. उससे पहले कि वो मामू आए, निकलो यहाँ से.